magkaka-eskwela hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan, kahit hanggang saan tayo makarating. I was reading a small book the other day, and I came upon the story of a mother on her deathbed. She called for her 5 children, and she told the 3 elder ones, she told them, you have to take good care of your younger siblings because you have experienced my love for you, the love that they will not experience because they're so young. And she called the younger siblings and said, listen to your older brothers and sisters because they have experienced life that you will not experience yourselves. And I suddenly remembered our upcoming homecoming. For what is a homecoming? A homecoming is a very powerful, like tonight, it's a powerful evening of nostalgia, of reminiscing what we were before, remembering the old buildings of San Jose Pilot Elementary School. But the more important thing was what we learned and what was planted in our hearts and in our souls, which we, up to this moment, up to this day, we have treasured because those we learned from San Jose Pilot Elementary School were the values that guide us and reach what we have reached today. Yung elementary school kasi mas memorable yan kesa sa high school kesa sa college. Because yun ang unang paglabas mo sa bahay. Yun ang unang unfamiliar environment that you were thrown into. Ang sabi nila, the best way to teach a child how to swim is to throw him. Giving him education, just throw him into the pool, just throw him into the river, and he will learn how to swim. Ganyan tayo. Ipinasok tayo sa San Jose Pilot Elementary School. But we learn how to swim with a tide. Yes. We even learn how to swim across the river. And that is what we are celebrating tonight. We are celebrating what this hallowed institution did for each and every one of us. And as the dying mother in her deathbed, we are now tasked to take care of the younger generation because our mother, our alma mater, the San Jose Pilot Elementary School, has prepared us to swim with a tide against the tide across the tide. Ang sabi nila, tonight is our chill night. Chill tayo. But as we chill it, we will feel that bond of love, of gratitude that we will always feel for our great alma mater, San Jose Pilot Elementary School. We will feel tonight how it feels that the root that came out and sprout from the seeds that were planted in our hearts, in our minds, and in our souls by our teachers have now grown, and the roots have matured one of us. And I'm sure that each and every one of us here, graduates, proud graduates of San Jose Pilot Elementary School, will be the first heroes to answer the call of this difficult and critical time. This night, a very memorable night, will not last. But the memories of this night will always linger in our hearts and in our souls. We will always remember that there are no friends like old friends. Maraming salamat, mabuhay po tayo.
Okay, salamat kay Gong Nene. Sabi niya, walang Nene Santo kung walang pilot school.
Naka-over mo si Kong.
Okay. Maraming salamat kay Gong. Samantala ngayon po naman ay
Kumain ka muna.
dapat po sana kasama natin ngayon si Governor Edgar Llano. Pero paghapon po siyang kasama, no? At siya po may balikan na lakad na inasikaso kayo sa bayan po ng Luban. Pero siya po nag-iwan ng isang mensahe mula po sa ating Executive Assistant na Provincial Government of Occidental Mindoro sa Samarica area. Graduate day ng Pilot Elementary School, batch 1971. Para po sa kanyang mensahe, bibigay ni Batch June Lee. Siya po ay batch 1971. Kabatch ko po yan.
Batch 30. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ako po ay tapos
Sa inyo to ha, sa akin yun doon.
sa San Jose Pilot Elementary School. So, batch 71. So, magandang gabi po mga batang kapilot.
Yes!
Hayain niyo pong ipaabot ko po ang mensahe ng ating ganadong gobernador sa pagtitipon ito. Sa ating pong ginagalang na former Congresswoman and Governor Miexo Josephine Ramirez Sato, Honorary Chair 2024 ng San Jose Pilot Elementary School Alumni Association. Kay Ma'am Marie Rose Eagles Reyes, ang ating pong Principal 4, sa ating pong Ma'am Marie Villier, Public Schools District Supervisor, PSDS, kay Sir Mel S. Gonzales Jr., President po ng San Jose Pilot Elementary School Alumni Association 2024 to 2026. Sa lahat po ng mga retired teachers na gagawaran ng pagkilala ngayong gabi, at sa lahat po ng mga year batches ng San Jose Pilot Elementary School, isang mapagpalang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ipagpaumanin po at di ako personal na nakatalo sa inyong paanyaya upang magbigay ng mensahe sa inyong 80th founding anniversary at 4th Grand Alumni Homecoming. Ito po ay sa kadahilanan na nataon po ito sa paanyaya ng kapistahan ng Isla ng Lubang, kaalinsabay ng pagbisita at pasinaya sa mga programa at proyekto ng pamalahang panlaliwigan sa naturang bayan. Gayun pa man, nais ko pong ipaabot ang aking pagbati at pakikisa sa pagdiriwang nito. Sa mahabang panahon, ang San Jose Pilot Elementary School ay nagsilbing pundasyon ng katutunan ng mga batang mag-aaral ng Occidental Mindoro. Mga batang pasilit noon na sa kasalukuyan ay naging matagumpay na sa iba't ibang larangan ng serbisyo publiko, negosyo at pribadong propesyon. Makamit ninyong lahat ito sa patuloy na paggabay at pagpapanday ng mga guro na nagsilbing ikalawang magulang natin sa inyong katutunan, kasanayan at tamang pag-uugali. Kung kaya't sa gabi ito ay ang pagbibigay-pugay natin sa mga natatanging guro na naghubog sa ating mga pamalingan. Sa gabi din ito, all of you are not here to impress each other with resumes. You are here to share stories, laughter and your younger selves, and appreciate the people you shared in your formative years. May you continue to live fully, appreciate each moment, and stay connected. Life has taken you in many directions, but you all share a common history. Hindi basta-basta. Galing pilot, balik pilot. At pilot, mabuhay po tayo lahat.
Mensahe po rin from Sunset Parent Elementary School Alumni Association President, year 2024-26, Mr. Mel S. Gonzalez Jr.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat.
Good evening. Woo!
Itutuloy ko lang yung housekeeping natin bukas ako magsasalita ng todo. Sa totoo, hindi rin. I don't like long speeches. Anyway, maraming salamat ulit sa mga artist natin. At ako yung tuwa pa rin. Kanina yung ating mass line dancing. Kaya mo Mila mga Bautista Bongo was very impressive kasi yung scene of red, ruby red shirt, punong-puno yung ating center of the court ng ating bulwagan ay talagang very impressive. Patalo pa nung 2 years ago kasi 2 years ago hindi ba kulay ng shirt natin. So anyway, I just want to highlight the fact na marami pa tayong pangangailangan sa bulwagan. Katulad na ngayon, hihintay ka ng video machine. Kaya baka mag-video tuloy yung video contest natin pag dumating yung video machine. Isa sa mga projects ng ating Alumni Association na mapaganda ang audio-visual equipment ng pilot. Long-term goal natin yan. Sinabi niya ako kasi ni Dico, sabi niya, matagal yung audio-visual. So sana matuloy, may nagkaroon ako ng pagkataon magkaroon second term na yun ang naging project natin. So yun lang po masasabi ko, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo ulit. Housekeeping, you can still write your name here. Yung autograph nyo, yun ang ating sheet natin. Maraming salamat po sa sumulat. Doon sa yung pamatulang ko, kanina nag-ikot. Kasi may mga nakarating sa atin na wala pang registration o binakuha yung pangalan niya kasi by batch ang submission pangalan. Sa ngayon po, I think we already hit 1,000 attendees based on numbers. Based on numbers, 1,000 na. Pero we have to defeat 2 years ago kasi 1,300 noon. So, we're almost there, man. Or almost there. Kaya bukas, marami tayong awards. So, I will shorten my, meron akong tatag na State of Association, parang SOFA ba? Yung State of Affairs of the State. Anyway, yung kay Marcos o kay Trump. So, anyway, tomorrow na yun, pero it's gonna be short. So, tonight, ang housekeeping ko, yung let's go. Meron nagiging dyan si Laika ng Batch 72. Namimigay siya ng kupon na libre ito o ng bayad to kasi meron tayo tonight na mga door prizes dito. Saka sa totoo, yung idea ni Ma'am, na ni Rose, saka ni Junie, magkaroon tayo ng Pakuela Awards tonight. So kung yung sosobro dito, ipapag-giveaway natin through the raffle process. Okay? So, enjoy yourself again. Ito yung parang bispera sa Pasko sa akin eh. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Pagkapit. At let's enjoy. Have fun. Thank you.
Plaque of recognition sa mga retired teachers. May we call on our Principal 4, Ma'am Marilos de los Reyes. Together with Sokel and Kong Nene.
Tatayo mag 77.
Alam niyo po, kaninang maaga, kinukulit ko itong mga batch ko. Sabi ko sa kanila, nangyayag na talaga akong magsabi.
Go!
Sabi ko sa kanila, ang reunion, kanya-kanyang paligaya sa sarili.
Hey!
Turn kayo.
Hey!
Kasi hindi namin alam kung mapapaligaya namin kayo. So, depende sa pagtanggap ng bawat batches kung paano po ninyo mapapaligaya ang sarili ninyo.
Yay!
Nagkakaintindihan na po kami.
Hey!
Pasensya na po kayo ha, parang kasi tinatawanan nila kung iba yung meaning sa kanila na mapapaligaya sa sarili. Self-love daw. Oh, malinis. Self-love. Sa inyo naman, iba kasi.
Ang apo mo nga naglalaro doon eh. Yung apo mo naglalaro doon.
So, magbibigay po tayo ng recognition sa mga teachers na bagong retire lang. Ibig kong sabihin natapos na yung kanilang serbisyo sa DepEd at natapos na, pero hindi pa rin po tapos yung kanilang serbisyo sa San Jose Pilot Elementary School.
Yes!
Now, this plaque of appreciation is presented to in grateful recognition of your dedicated service and lasting contributions to the learners and community of San Jose Pilot Elementary School. Your commitment and passion have inspired generations. Your legacy will always be remembered. Given on Saturday, the 2nd day of May, 2026, during the San Jose Pilot Elementary School 80th founding anniversary, 4th Grand Alumni Homecoming, held on May 23, 2026 at the Bulwagan ng Kabataan ng San Jose Pilot Elementary School, San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. Signed, yours truly. So tinatawagan po si Ma'am Fe Villola Carrion. Palakpakan naman po natin
Blow out na, blow out.
Oh, ano sasabihin niyo?
Hey!
38 years ng serbisyo sa San Jose Pilot Elementary School. Ma'am Elena Calipo Tagtugani. 36 years sa San Jose Pilot Elementary School. Magpalakpak naman kayo. Paligyan ang sarili. Ma'am Josephine Lirio Malaluhan. Palakpak!
Hello, hello.
Sa San Jose Pilot Elementary School. Rosemary Nifas Maligaya. 38 years sa San Jose Pilot Elementary School. Wala na kayo mga kamay. Thank you very much po and congratulations everyone. Maraming salamat sa inyong serbisyo sa San Jose Pilot Elementary School.
Lapit na yung ating awardees, no? Kaya lang yung demand yung karating. Kaya ibibigay na lang sa mga pamilya nila. Thank you very much.
Tayo teachers natin. Kaya pala, ang pinasadahan noong last 2 years ago pala, nabigyan na ng award yung mga third teachers na una. Okay, again, congratulations siguro sila. Naging teacher pa ng anak natin, ng apo natin, ano, kaya maraming salamat. And ngayon po naman ay pakinggan po natin ang vote of thanks mula po sa Vice President ng San Jose Pilot Elementary School 2024 up to 2026, si Junie Maliao.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
It is both an honor and a privilege to deliver this vote of thanks on this truly momentous occasion, the 80th founding anniversary and the 4th Grand Alumni Homecoming of our beloved institutions. Tonight, we celebrate not only the passage of time, but also the legacy of excellence, unity, and service that has been built and sustained through generations. This remarkable milestone would not have been possible without the collective efforts of so many individuals. First and foremost, we extend our deepest gratitude to our esteemed guests, alumni, and former educators who have been taking time from their busy schedules to be with us today. Your presence has added meaning and inspiration to this celebration. To our dedicated organizers and committees, the teachers, the faculty, thank you for your tireless efforts, careful planning, and commitment in making this event a resounding success. Your hard work behind the scenes has truly paid off. Palakpakan naman po natin sila.
Yay!
And of course, to our alumni, tayo yun for coming home. Palakpakan ulit natin ang ating mga sarili. Your stories, achievements, and continued connection remind us that no matter how far we go, we always remain part of this family. As we conclude this program, may we carry forward the spirit of camaraderie, pride, and gratitude that we have shared today. Let this celebration not only honor our past, but also inspire us to build an even brighter future together. Let us all remind of this tagline, hindi basta-basta. Galing pilot, balik pilot. Once again, thank you everyone, and may you all have a wonderful evening. God bless.
Now of the ILG, brother, a father-in-law, okay, and the brother of Arlene. Okay, thank you. And ngayon, chill muna tayo. Mamaya makamit po tayo ng live music from Good Dance Band to be followed by line dancing. Ang ating dance instructor si Mila Bautista Bongo. Then special numbers from Jubilee Bunches and Videoke 80 Contest. May videoke tayo?
Ayan. Pwede ba tayo na isang masigaw mong palakpakan mula sa batch ng
Love has played its games on me so long. I started to believe I'd never find anyone. Now they'll try to convince me to give in. Said you can't win. But one day the sun came shining through. From rain and snow and skies of blue. And all the revelation to see someone is saying I love you to me. One in a million chance of a lifetime. And life showed compassion and said to me, a stroke of love called you. A one in a million you. I was a lonely man with empty arms to fill. Then I found a piece of happiness to call my own. And life is worth living again. For to love you to me is to live. One in a million chance of a lifetime. And life showed compassion and said to me, a stroke of love called you. A one in a million you. A one in a million chance of a lifetime. And life showed compassion and said to me, a stroke of love called you. The one in a million you. A one in a million you.
Wala ba kayo makabay?
Wow, what a great voice.
Wow! Alam ko galing pala ni Sir. More daw, Sir!
Oh, galing pa ni Sir.
More.
Siguro si Sir yung singer din ng batch nila.
Pampato yan ang section nila, Sir Dad.
Magaling pa rin, maganda pa rin ang boses, Sir, hanggang ngayon.
Kaya,
More pa daw, Sir!
more pa daw, Sir. More pa daw. Yan. Babalik si Sir. Kita kasi ng boses.
Papatalo na ang ibang batch!
Oo nga yun.
Dapat hindi papatalo, may kanya-kanya rin tayo. Ayan, kila Ma'am Mary Rose.
Ayan.
Meron din po dyan sa batch nila.
Magkakaroon daw ng singing contest. Oo. Kanya-kanyang
Ano pangalan niya?
Arlene Valera.
Arlene.
But it's been crying.
Arlene.
The dawn elementary school that ever happened to me.
Thank you so much, sir, for singing. Ano yun? Elementary school that ever happened to me.
Yes. Alright, dahil dyan meron tayong isang drummer ulit. Yan. From batch 64 naman. Kay Madam. Hello, Madam.
Sila ka na sila pa. Sila ka na sila pa. Para sa...
Wala pa, hindi pa nilalabas yung
kailangan mapabigyan natin ng bawat isa.
Meron na upuan.
Yun. May gusto ko tanongin sa kanila. Yung tayo ba nila yung puno ng mangga, nagiging tayo na rin. Yung tayo po namin meron eh, di ba? Yun yung usap-usapan. Oo. Ayan. Nagkasundo na ba? Sino pinakamagaling? Yan! Ayun na daw po. Sir, galingan mo, sir. Kung pag-asa ng pansya.
Ang puso kong
Yahoo! Yung kulay pula lang na damit, yun ang papasok. Yung may ticket na kulay pula. Birds dyan, oh. May panlabag ba dyan? Batch 1975. Ma'am, kanta. Kaya papiano pa si ma'am.
Wala pa man, panalo na mga Emerson.
Pinasaya mo kami lahat. Cesar Abiera, batch 1977.
Alright, so next. Ayan na, si Ma'am Marie Rose, pakantayin daw natin si Ma'am. Bigyan na lang. Bawin mo! Bawin mo!
Hey! Ayos! Oh!
Alright, thank you so much. Si Sherry! At tingnan ang kategorya mo si Sherry. Oh, magandang tulog mo Sherry.
Yeah.
Parang sumpo yata yung mga kasangkop. Hindi pa walang paglaan, walang padaya. Yan. Magandang tulog. Again. Next.
Okay. Magandang tulog muna. Magandang tulog.
Magandang tulog, palakpak. Walang pumalakpak. Malakas ang loob. Saglit lang, saglit lang lang.
Ulitin natin yung tatlo sa magandang tulog.
Ah, sige.
Kasi para
Basta siya, waiter na siya. Wala siyang kalaban. Talagang malakas ang loob. Ang di naman may isa wala. Naku, pag dito, awayin ka ng tulo eh. Ang pinata, okay.
magandang tulog. Magandang tulog. Ano ba lang sa'yo?
Pero gusto ko ulitin yung malakas ang loob! Walang kapares.
Kapag 2024 siya, para mahilig sa tsokolate.
Ano mo siya, Sir Mel?
Ako sa...
Oo, sa tuhod.
Wala ko sa tingin na ako.
Okay.
Sa pamangkin. Wala ko na ako ng picture. Ako sa picture. Okay. Susunod naman. Ito, kasi marami nang umuwi, no? Siguro ang fair gawin natin eh. Sino ang pinakamalayo ng galingan? Kumari, galing sa US, galing sa Guam, galing sa... Sino ang
Yan
pinakamalayo?
si Esper.
Saan kayo galing ko? Sa Amerika, sa Amerika. Ha?
Tennessee.
Tennessee. Malayo ngayon kasi California na ako eh. Sana ako nagkakaroon ng bagal ako eh. Mas malayo ang Tennessee. So, sino ang galing sa Amerika?
LA.
Saan galing sa kanila? Ano ang malapit kaysa sa ano? Alam ko sa geography, mas malapit ang mas malapit ang Tennessee. Saan ba? Malay yung ako eh. Sa Panarado.
Yay!
Sa Panarado. So, ready? Awal na natin. Kung hindi po kayo kung gusto nyo, pwede kuhain sa inyo matatapang.
Thank you. Okay, congrats. Next.
Ma'am, after na tawagin natin yung pinakamalaking batch ngayon. Kasi meron talagang award based on data kung sino pinakamalaking batch. So, gawin natin kung sino lang pinakamalaking batch ngayon by counting how many they are.
Ngayong gabi. Okay. Naku, panalo kami. 1971. Okay, paalis, ha?
So, ilan ang nag-batch sa ito?
1971, ilang tayo dyan lahat? 16.
Ilan ang batch ano?
17.
Ilan kilo?
What 71 ilan? Ilan?
Talo, sorry. Ilan talo?
7? 8? Naku,
Opa.
So, 77 yung kilo. Again, if I have to, we will find the real number after compute natin data. So for now, ang biggest batch is batch 77.
Yay!
Ma'am, mamili kayo ng isang premyo para sa buong grupo. Ano? Ito, biscuits. Congratulations, batch 77. Alright, ano pang kategorya ang pakwela ngayon?
Rapol.
Ano ba? Batch 17, Ronaldo Carlos Maylin. Longest distance in the Philippines, within the Philippines. Pamili ko kayo ng ano?
South Cotabato.
Gusto nyo ng wine? Gusto nyo ng prutas? Hindi,